On March 10, 2025, Indian equity markets showcased a mixed bag of performances. The BSE Sensex dipped by 0.29%, closing at 74,115.17, while the Nifty 50 managed a slight uptick of 0.35%, reaching 22,632.2. The financial services sector played a pivotal role, with Bajaj Finance and ICICI Bank gaining around 2% and 1%, respectively. Metals also shown, with Hindalco, Tata Steel, and JSW Steel each climbing about 1.5%. However, not all was rosy. Dr. Reddy's Laboratories saw a decline of 1.12%, and Larsen & Toubro fell by 2.1%. Maruti Suzuki, despite a 0.84% drop, still outperformed some automotive peers. The market was influenced by global factors, including rising U.S. unemployment rates and tariff uncertainties, leaving investors on edge as they awaited key economic indicators. It's a complex landscape, reflecting the ever-shifting dynamics of the market.